comes Braden. Make him a little bigger. There he is. See if he waves to me. I doubt it. He's busy looking at his jet ski and not his Grammy. Here comes Lauren. And she's, what the fuck is she doing? Teaching Bray to get them all hooked up good.
They're not difficult, but being able to count helps. Right? Good. And these questions come from Trivial Pursuit, the 1980s master game.
Doing some work.
And I have a card from the game in my hand. A category, please. Personalities. Let's see. What thespian? That's a big word. What thespian announced that he wanted to be reincarnated as the heavyweight boxing champ? A thespian, which means an actor. He wanted to be reincarnated as the heavyweight boxing champ. Had to be, the only thing is the 80s, had to be a guy who played Rocky.
Look at those freaking traps. Look at those freaking muscles. Wow. The boy be built.
Wild card. Whose no-nos for beach etiquette included blowing your nose on your hand and smearing your dates back with chopped fish? What? Whose no-nos for beach